Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 7. Question number 7 is chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in the chalk, right? Let us find. Here you see the ratio is calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10:3:12. Therefore, total part is total part total part total part is equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12, that is equal to 25 parts. Total part is 25 part. Since the ratio given ratio is 10 is to 3 is to 12. That means out of this 10 part is for calcium, 3 part is of carbon and 12 part is of oxygen. Therefore, we are writing that part of carbon is equal to part of carbon is equal to, this is 3, therefore 3 by 25, right? Therefore percentage of carbon percentage of carbon part in chalk is equal to 3 by 5, 3 by 25 into 100% into 100%. Therefore 25 on the 25, 4 is 100 or 3 4 is 12%, right? Therefore, what is the percentage of carbon in chalk? The percentage of carbon in chalk is 12%. Now question number 2. If in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of the chalk stick? Right? The carbon is 3 gram. Let the weight of the chalk let the weight of the chalk be x gram. Therefore, according to the question, the carbon is 3 gram, right? According to the question, the percentage of carbon part in the chalk is 12%, that is 12% of x, that is 12%. According to the question, 12% of x is equal to 3. 12% of x is equal to 3. Or you can write 12 by 100 of means multiply into x is equal to 3. Therefore 12x is equal to 3 into 100, that is 300. Or x can be written as 300 by 12. We cut it by 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, it is 0. Again 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6 by 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10. Then we cut it by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 to just 6, 3 5 just 15, 25. X equal to 25 gram, right? What is the weight of the chalk stick? Therefore, weight of the chalk stick is 25 gram. Hence, 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 the weight of the chalk, hence the weight, hence the weight of the chalk, hence the weight, hence the weight of the chalk, of the chalk, weight of the chalk, weight of the chalk is 25 gram, is 25 gram. This is the answer, right? Here again you see that the ratio is to 10 is to 3 is to 12, right? Therefore, total part will be 10 plus 3 plus 12, that is 25 parts. Since the given ratio is 10 is to 3 is to 12, the part of carbon, the part of calcium is 10 and part of carbon is 3 and part of oxygen is 12. Therefore, part of carbon is 3 by 25. Percentage of carbon part in chalk is 3 by 25 into 100%, that is 12%. 12%. Let the weight of the chalk be x gram. Therefore, according to the question, 12% of x is equal to 3, it is given. Therefore, 12 by 100 into x is equal to 3, or 12x is equal to 300, or x is equal to 25. Hence, the weight of the chalk is 25 gram. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.